Today on Max Sandy Gadgets, we're making a delicious crustless ham and cheese quiche in 10 minutes. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our delicious crustless ham and cheese quiche, we have 6 eggs. Yep, they're large eggs. Over here we have a 1.5 cups of chopped ham that we cubed up. Back here we have our cheese. It's 2 cups of grated cheese. It's a blend. And over here we have our onions. They're green onions. We're going to cut them up. And over here we have a cup of spinach leaves. We're going to put them in there. And over here we have our seasonings. Yep, we got a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to do something. Okay, let's get started chopping up our green onions. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's get some of this stuff out of our way. And we're going to use our acetylene knife to cut up our green onions. And of course we use our any sharp knife sharpener to sharpen it. You know, because I always forget to sharpen my knives again. You know, that's normal. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut up our onions. We'll get the ends off here. And we'll go ahead and chop them up. Okay, we're going to put them in a bowl. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to crack some eggs. Yeah, and to beat up our eggs, we're going to go ahead and use our Queso stick blender. Yep, it worked good in the past, so we're going to use it again here today. And it comes with an egg beater attachment on it. So let's go ahead and try it. Okay. Wow. Now to that, we're going to add our seasonings. We have 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch or an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, we're going to put them right in there. Okay, mix that up good. Okay, to that we're going to add a 1.5 cups of ham in there. Yep, put that right in there. To that we're going to add some of our green onions, about 1/2 cup. To that we're going to add our spinach leaves in there. Yeah, that's 1 cup of spinach leaves. And we're going to mix that up a little bit. Just fold it in. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheese. It's a blend and it's really tasty. So we're going to put that right in there. Almost looks like we need a bigger bowl, doesn't it? Yeah, but it'll fit. Let's just mix it in gently. Okay, to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk and mix that in. I like putting the milk last sometimes so I can see how thick it is or thin it is, you know. It looks pretty good right now. All right, that's better. Okay, just mix it up good. Okay, there you go. Now all we have to do is start cooking our delicious crustless ham and cheese quiche. And boy, does it have a lot of cheese and a lot of ham. Yeah, and 6 eggs. Wow. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, let's set our burner to medium. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan. And we'll let that heat up. And for this recipe, it's best to have an oven-safe pan. You know, we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for a little bit or broil it for a little bit. In this case, we're going to broil it for about 5 minutes after we're done to get all the cheese melted and everything nice and golden up top. Yeah. Okay, let's let that heat up. Okay, our pan's just about hot enough. We're going to go ahead and add our egg mixture in there. Wow, look at that. Okay, just level that up a little. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook for 5 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Wow, look at that. Let's see if it's still a little bit soft up top, not much. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put some more cheese on top. Yeah. Because we love cheese. Look at that bubbling. Hot darn. That looks good. Okay. That's the rest of our cheese. Now we're going to put a little more of our green onions on top just to garnish it like. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that right in the oven under the broiler for about 5 minutes until all that cheese is nice and melted. Let's do that. Okay guys, let's get our quiche out of the oven. Here it is. Wow. Look how that puffed up. Yeah. Okay, boy, that looks good. I mean, really tasty. So let's go ahead and plate this up and give it a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, guys, here it is. Wow, look at that. All right, let's see if we can get that out of there. Wish me luck on this one. Oh, yeah. Boy, does that look good. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. You know what we're going to do? We're going to put just a little bit of salt on top. Tiny bit of pepper. And some smoked paprika. Yeah, just a little bit. There you go. Wow, does that look good? You know, it's best to let these cool a little bit so they're a little bit easier to cut. But, you know me, I can't wait. Boy, is that thick. Beautiful. Okay, let's just see if we can get a piece out of there. You ready? Let's do it. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see it? Look at the cheese running off there. Wow. Okay, let's put it on a plate. Boy, is that good looking. Okay. Let's move this out of the way for a minute. And we'll take a look at our beautiful, delicious, crustless ham and cheese quiche. All right, let's just have a little bite. Oh, wow, look at the crust. And the cheese is just running off it. Okay. Can you see it? Yeah, okay, let's just have a little bite. Ready? Boy, is that tasty. It's a little too hot though yet. I should have let it cool a little more, but I couldn't wait because it smelled too good. Yep. Okay, you're really going to enjoy these. Boy, that was really tasty. All right, let's bring back our quiche so you can see it better. Look at that. Can you see it? Boy, is that tasty looking. Let me see if you can get a closer look at that. Can you see it? Yep. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and maybe eat this piece, or I'll put it back so you can see it. Okay. There you go. Boy, is that good looking. And it tastes even better than it looks. So there you go. Okay, guys, there you have it. A delicious crustless ham and cheese quiche in 10 minutes. Yeah, that was good and tasty. And you can feed like 4 people with it, no problem whatsoever. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.